Most times in Nigeria, when car manufacturers are being called out, the first car brand that comes to mind is the Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing, founded by Innocent Chukwuma in Nnewi of Anambra State. But this time around, there is another Nigerian entrepreneur and billionaire who has set out to start building vehicles from Nigeria, from electric vehicles to petrol vehicles that matched the terrain of the Nigerian road. These vehicles have been proven to stand the test of time. This founder has a history with working at one of the largest car companies in the world, Mercedes Benz. After working at Mercedes, he actually found his way back to Nigeria to start manufacturing of vehicles locally. In this video, we explore the journey of Ajayi Oluwatobi, a Nigerian founder of Nord Automobiles and Nord Motion, which is a company that manufacturing has taken over and is one of the largest car manufacturers in Nigeria and in Africa. If it's your first time on our channel, consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you do not miss future videos from this channel. In an age where the value of education is frequently questioned by many Nigerian youths, the story of Ajayi Joshua Oluwatobi, the 37-year-old founder and CEO of Nord Automobile Limited, stands as a testament to the undeniable power of education and determination in achieving success. Born in 1988, Ajayi Joshua Oluwatobi and his path to greatness began in the classrooms of Nigerian Navy School, where he completed his primary and secondary education. He furthered his education at Olabisi Onabanjo University, studying soil sciences and farm mechanization from 2004 to 2010. While many may wonder how a degree in soil sciences could lead to a career in building cars and the automotive industry in the largest African nation, Nigeria, Tobi's journey illustrates that education is not merely about direct application of one's degree, but rather the skills, discipline, and mindset that are cultivated along the way. In 2012, after completing his studies, he served in the National Youth Service Corps at Mercedes Benz in Nigeria. His dedication and exceptional performance during this period earned him a permanent position at the company. Tobi was given responsibility of managing the Mercedes Benz van division in Nigeria, a task he embraced with passion, and within just 2 years, from 2013 to 2015, he grew the market share of Mercedes Benz in Nigeria and its vans from less than 1% to an impressive 7%, earning him the prestigious Mercedes Benz Best Sales Performance for Africa in 2013. But Tobi's aspirations did not stop there. After visiting Mercedes Benz factories in Europe and Asia, he envisioned a future where Nigeria could have its own globally recognized and reliable automotive brand. With this vision in mind, Tobi, alongside investors, founded Van Automobiles Limited in April 2015, further elevating the Mercedes-Benz van's presence in Nigeria. However, Tobi's ultimate goal was to build something truly Nigerian, and in April 2018, he left Van to focus on creating Nord Automobile Limited, a company that now assembles elegant, reliable, durable, and cost-efficient vehicles. Under his leadership, Nord Automobiles has grown to be valued at over 4.2 billion naira, proving that with hard work, focus, and right education, Nigerian youths can achieve anything. Ajayi Joshua Oluwatobi's story is not just about building a successful company, it's about the importance of education as a foundation for success. His journey demonstrates that education coupled with determination can open doors to opportunities that many might not have and thought possible. In a world where shortcuts are mostly inspiring, Ajayi has shown that this should not be the only way, as there are a lot of opportunities in Nigeria. This businessman has been very vocal about the sales of cars in Nigeria. Oluwatobi Ajayi, the founder and CEO of Nord Automobile Limited, also known as Nord Motion, a Nigerian automotive firm that assembles vehicles locally. He tells Caleb Ojewale about the company's journey over the last couple of years and its goal of normalizing Nigerians and Africans generally buying brand new vehicles, except what would you like or what would you say made you think it was a good idea to go into this industry at the time you did? He said, all my life, I've always gone for the most impactful, even if it's a more difficult area of anything. My friends always tell me that I like to go for the difficult things, which of course gives very good results. And he likes to make a huge undeniable difference anywhere he goes. And that's how he's been able and even earned him the nickname Super Toby. He was always trying to do what nobody wanted to do, even when he knew it was going to be very difficult. He was ready for it, and he knew it was going to be difficult, venturing into the auto and automotive industry. And he was prepared to go for it, but he didn't know it was going to be as difficult as it actually became. In the past couple of years, he has built a factory in Sangoto, Edo, and another one in Epe. But the one in Epe is the main one. And he says these factories can produce about 5 units of cars daily from Nigeria. This highlights the journey of Nord Motion and its commitment to building a truly made in Nigerian car brand. If it's your first time on the channel, consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you do not miss out on future videos from this channel. And on that note, I'll be seeing you in my very next video.